Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. It is Thursday, October 16th, 2025. Hope you're all doing well. I just give you a few updates here on this lovely Thursday. So on the daily chart on the NASDAQ, you can see here we're back into a buy zone, flat bottom Heikin-Ashi, right? So we had the wicks. It maintained structure, right? The NASDAQ has maintained structure, starting to widen here a little bit. Good solid Heikin-Ashi. So again, more than likely, we'll probably come test this key area at highs and divergence. Not sure what will happen at that point, but the bull market's continuing intact just after a pullback like we had here, and here. Again, the trend is your friend here overall, folks. All right, so as a day trader, okay, people that were in the WealthCharts live training room today saw and had a great opportunity today. So one, we had some 8 o'clock news. And then at 8:30 here, 8:30 news. We had 8:30 news. So after the news cleared, which is this wick right here, we were then free to look for opportunities. We went into a buy zone. We had the pullback. You see the yellow Heikin-Ashi dot back to green. Then the flat bottom Heikin-Ashi. Okay, that's an entry for me. We had a nice little trade here on the NASDAQ here. Okay. Now, in saying that, look at the rest of the morning here. Okay, so I get the question a lot, which I'm gonna teach you as well here on Saturday, which I'll get to in a minute. But during this, folks, we sat on our hands. Okay, we didn't trade any other trades until I closed the room at 5 minutes to 11 Eastern today. And so it was a great learning experience because, yes, we want to trade. We want to have some fantastic opportunities like we had here. But most traders, including myself, if I try to trade chop, okay, I'm not going to like the results. And so how do we determine that, right? That's where these Heikin-Ashi formations come into play. And then what we also were looking at is the 5 minute. This is a 1 minute here. We were looking at the higher time frames, and we were looking for them to agree, okay? If they weren't in agreement, we weren't looking to trade. Again, just a big part of trading, folks, is staying out of a trade when the market's just not giving it to you. Okay, so we learned a lot together today in the WealthCharts live training room. Now, in saying that, okay, I'm just going to the same thing, the NASDAQ on the 1 minute. For the European session earlier in the morning, you see how it's much more identified trends. So if you were trading during the more early morning European session, you can see these type of opportunities, right? And so again, what we look for is small losses if we're wrong, okay? We'll get some potential smaller wins, like here, with opportunities for those bigger wins. And that's what can really help you with your prop accounts, getting your evaluation accounts funded, and so forth. So again, what I'm going to do, folks, we had a lot of interest. It was great attendance on Wednesday. This is going to be my last one for a while. I'm going to hold a live training on Saturday. So those of you that are available on Saturday, 10 o'clock Eastern, you do not want to miss out. Go ahead and register as becomeabettertrader.com/yes. Remember, folks, I've got over 6-figure payouts just in Apex itself, and I've had 5-figure payouts in the last 30 days. I want to go over this with you. I want to share with you how I'm doing it. It'll be a great educational session for you. So Saturday, 10 o'clock Eastern. Hope to see you there, folks. Have a great rest of the day. Take care.